So I came across a Rooter Hero video with the manager and the owner, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful that they've got their values first in the background, being truthful, being honest, and being kind. But what I was really inspired by is always remain curious, and that's why I produced this video, is because I'm just curious just to really find out, is this really what their core value is? Well, in today's video, we're gonna dig a little deeper, so stay tuned. Welcome to the Twin Home Experts YouTube channel, where we bring complete transparency, honesty, and kindness through our contribution making these videos. And today's video, we'd love to have your comments, especially letting me know, hey Dave, you're a little bit out of line, a little bit out there bringing this topic up, or am I in line and making some sense and bringing in that truth? And that's why I'm curious, is because I thought that this was a good video to make in respect to, man, is it right? Is it wrong? I'll share you my opinion at the end of this video. All right, let's get right into it. So I came across a website today in our Arizona location that I found was quite interesting. It's an old website that we had, but it's got our name all over it. My last name, Twin Home Experts, a bunch of customers that are actually our customer testimonials. And I dialed the numbers that are featured on that website, and I thought it was a little deceptive when the phone rang to Rooter Hero. I was kind of shocked, to be honest with you. Like, how can this be? It's my name, it's my testimonials, it's my hard work, but yet Rooter Hero is using it. And I watched this interview and I thought, wow, amazing. They're talking about leadership skills, they're talking about personal development, they're talking about being honest and being kind. And I thought, wait a minute. But yet, you're using my website, my name, my customer testimonials, and you're being deceptive by using our website, featuring it to the Arizona market. The customers are believing in that, but yet they get Rooter Hero. So tell me, folks, what your thoughts are on this particular subject. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take you to the website, and it'll give you a visual perspective on, really, is this deceptive marketing, or is it just part of business and something that I just got to deal with? Let's go ahead and look at the website right now. All right, so here's the site that we found surfacing the internet in the Arizona market. And right off the bat, this is my logo that I created back in 1992, Shoki Plumbing. That's mine. That used to be on all of my trucks, and I had that for 20-something years. The other is the twins. Why the twins? I mean, that's part of our brand, is me and my twin brother. If you go into the video audio testimonials, those are all of my customers and all of my technicians. Again, I feel it's pretty deceptive if homeowners are listening to that and then it inspires them to make these phone calls thinking that they're calling the twins, but it ends up going to Rooter Hero. So again, I have a hard time believing in that value statement that Rooter Hero was saying about being truthful, being kind. So that is not in alignment with those values, is my point. Or again, am I out of line? So the next obvious choice was to get on the Rooter Hero website and go ahead and contact them, notify them that, hey, it's not cool to be using our assets. Well, we thought it was really super transparent when we found that on the website, it actually had John's personal cell number. I thought, wow, let's go ahead and contact him. Let me go ahead and show you what his website looks like. Right here. In fact, it's 818-925-6096. Pretty easy. So we went ahead, my brother texted him and just kind of said, hey, John, you're using our website. What's going on? This needs to stop. No response other than, I don't know who you are. It was just more of a, I don't really care attitude, and just shunned us right away. So that's my point, folks, is that, hey, if we're going to be kind, if we're going to be truthful, if we're going to be honest, why not bring some friendship into this world? Why not help each other out? Why not have a phone call from John saying, hey guys, completely understand where you're coming from. I'm going to look into this. Or just give us some type of answer that makes sense. Maybe there is something that we didn't know about. Maybe there's something that he didn't know about. But to shun us, I don't know. I don't agree with that. Enough's enough. There's my truth. And I'm a big believer that the truth will prevail. So in this video, is it going to help shut our site down? Is it going to help John stop using our site? Is he going to reach out to us? I don't know. Only time will tell. All I can tell you is I'm going to continue to move forward, being the best that I can be, offering my contribution to this industry. Hey, and as always, thanks for watching.